Hello, everyone. So we're live now. We're live at Race and Rice Wellness. So hello, everyone. Just type in
Hello,
kung
everyone.
sino na kayo.
Good evening.
Okay. Good evening. Good evening, everyone, and good afternoon. So I say good afternoon kasi dito sa Dubai is only 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And in the Philippines, 7 o'clock na there, right? So we're
Seven.
here to discuss,
I
yeah,
have 7:02.
7:02. We're here to discuss about getting healthier. And by the way, I'd like to introduce myself. Um, we are a Race and Rice Wellness. So it's a combination of beauty and wellness where we have salon, hair, massage, nails, and at the same time, we have health coaches, we have yoga, meditation, and many more, and different kind of workshops. And this is our first workshop, or no, it's like our first talk about getting healthier. And I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Miss Rhoda, and I'm the founder of Face and Rise. And together with me is Miss Kim Basa, who is health coach. And she's gonna tell us so many things about getting healthier. Kasi alam ko, you're taking care of yourself. Alam ko, nag, alam mo yun, nag-e-effort kayo na maging healthy. Kasi in Philippines and in other countries, gusto ng mga tao, di ba, maging healthy. But then right now, kahit ano gawin natin, maraming temptations. So, thank you for the heart. And I'd like to introduce Miss Kim Basa herself and let her do the talking because marami siyang ibigay sa atin very ano, interesting thing about technology. So, thank you.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you, Ms. Rhoda. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to our webinar. So thank you for tuning in us with us tonight. So yeah, as Ms. Rhoda said, no, my name is Coach Kim Basa. I'm a certified integrative nutrition health coach from Institute for Integrative Nutrition. So I help my clients. Over the years, I have worked with professionals, business owners, moms and dads, no, to live their healthy life. No, they all have one thing in common. They want to live longer. They want to live happier. They want to get healthier, and they want to have more energy. So, yun. So, iba't ibang challenges, no? Iba't ibang circumstances. But then, yung isi-share ko sa inyo tonight is understanding the root cause of weight gain and chronic diseases, because by understanding that, no, having that knowledge will basically equip you, no, on how to apply it to your life, no, on how to adjust your lifestyles, no, for you to get healthier as well.
Hello, good evening, Ching. Nice to see
Okay.
you watching us.
Okay, so allow me lang po to share my screen para meron tayong visual, no?
Oh, thank you. Someone's watching us from Makati.
Hello, Ayash from Makati. We'd love to hear from you, so feel free to chat lang po, no, where you're coming from.
Yeah, just tell us where's your location, and mamaya, or you will be having a chance to ask so many questions, and it's free. Kasi we are here really to educate people.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Okay, yan. Alright. So, yan, may tanong ako sa inyo. Let's start it with a question. So, ilan ba dito sa inyo ngayon, no, sa mga nakikinig sa atin? You're struggling with weight and diabetes or prediabetes or high blood sugar or
Yeah.
fatigue. Even if you try to eat healthy, or if you have your regular exercise.
Yeah.
Sige nga po, pwede bang paki-type in your answers para makita natin?
Sino
Or,
sino nagta-try ng how you call it na kahit anong gawin, nagda-diet na wala pa rin nangyayari, di ba? Di ba?
yeah, oo. Meron ako mga clients na ganyan, no? And actually, even ako, I myself, before I got into this practice, struggle ko din yan eh.
Yeah. Madaming mga tao na ganyan nahihirapan. Like ako, I'm in my 50s na pero I'm having a hard time releasing some of my weight, alam mo yun. Ang hirap kahit na I know I'm eating healthy. 'Di ba?
Yeah, oo. So, yun nga
Ayan.
yung mga struggle. But because there are many factors actually sa lifestyle natin. But, yan, the problem and the root cause of those struggles or those challenges that we experience is only this. No, yun nasa gitna, the insulin resistance. Ano ba
Yeah.
yung insulin resistance? No, many of us are not familiar with this, but now marami na tayong narinig kung ano ba tong insulin resistance. No, this is a situation when our body stops responding properly to insulin. So, ang
Yes, oo.
nangyayari, 'di ba, Miss Regina, 'di ba, yung gano'n, hindi na nag-o-open yung cells natin, no, para papasukin yung insulin para yung cell magamit yung glucose for energy or as fuel.
Okay. So etong insulin importante ito, 'di ba?
Yes, oo, insulin resistance, related dito sa lifestyle natin. 'Pag 'di ba, lalo na sa panahon ngayon, modern day living, 'no, ah we always want convenient now. Let's say, 'di ba? Lagi tayong nakaupo, lalo na since nag-start yung pandemic, no, nasanay tayong mag-work, nakaharap sa laptop natin sa computers for long periods of time. Tapos, syempre, tapos na we want to treat ourselves, so magbi-binge tayo sa
Yeah.
Netflix. So, nakaupo uli. So, practically, pag, pag busy tayo, no, gusto na natin lahat, no? Parang ang couch potato. No? So, and then, we sleep late. Ako guilty ako doon. Kaya iniiwasan ko hangga't maaari na wag manood ng Netflix, lalo na yung series, yung
Oo.
K-drama, kasi nakakapuyat.
And then tapos maghahanap ka pa ng midnight snack,
Oh, hindi naman, yung sa iba, ako hindi naman ako sa, pero
'di
alam mo
ba?
yung gusto mo matapos agad, so sige, panoorin natin next episode. So, yun nga, no, that's actually because of our poor lifestyle factors, nangyayari
Yes.
itong insulin resistance. And pag gano'n na hindi na makapasok or magamit ni cells, or yung ano, insulin, no, for fuel,
Mm.
it stays in our blood, no? And it gets stored as fat. Noon. Kaya, yung fat na yon, ang favorite niyang tambayan ay yung belly. Yon. So,
Wow!
kaya sa mga women, 'di ba, concern yan yung belly fat, no? Belly fat.
Okay. So kaya pala like ako, hindi ako gaano nag-e-exercise. So yun pala yun, okey.
Oo, Miss Rhodes, yun. Actually, and then, no, yung insulin resistance, ito rin yung nagiging cause nung, let's say, pag may nagpa-blood test tayo, 'di ba, makita natin doon, tapos
Yeah.
sabihin ng doktor, itong HbA1c mo, titingnan niya, okay,
Mm.
elevated, so you're pre-diabetic. Pre-diabetic, no? And then,
Hmm.
magpo-progress siya to type 2 diabetes. Yun. And
Oh,
then, magiging chronic na siya, which leads to other health issues. Ito like fatty liver. Yun yung surrounding ano na to, fatty liver,
oo.
hypertension, obesity, diabetes type 2, PCOS, Alzheimer's disease, no? And many other health issues like sarcopenia, no? Marami pang iba. And
Hmm.
that condition also, later on I will touch on that. All right, so yun, no, yun yung pinag-uugatan, Miss Rhodes, and really some people Many of us actually, even ako, hindi ko to alam before. No, alam ko lang is, di ba, when we want to lose weight, caloric ano lang tayo, deficit, di ba? Tapos
Oo.
mag-exercise. But since
Ano
we
ba ang
don't,
caloric deficit? As in, ano yun?
caloric deficit is like yung mangyayari, di ba? If you're used to eating 1,800 calories a day, tapos,
Okay.
syempre, alam mo, natansyado, gaano karami yung food mo, magtitimbang ka, di ba? Or
Yeah.
magko-compute ng calories. Tapos, bigla mong babawasan ng 800 lang.
Okay.
Yan. So, syempre, pag yun, nasana yung body mo sa 1,800, tapos bigla kang nagbawas, syempre, you will feel more tired, tapos you feel more hungry because you feel deprived, di ba? Tapos you feel
Of course, yeah.
tired. Oh, and then nagiging vicious cycle siya. And then when you feel guilty, tapos sabi mo, I want to treat myself. Then you want to treat yourself with that piece of cake. And then
Oo.
syempre, ang sarap, di ba? Ang sarap ng cake. Gusto mo pa ng isa pa, ng isa pa, ng isa pa. So hanggang hindi mo na mapigilan.
Totoo. Totoo yan. Tsaka yung iba kasi, minsan, di ba, akala lang natin, pag medyo nag-weight gain ka na, magpapapayat ka lang, mag-exercise ka lang. Pero, minsan, hindi rin siya applicable pag puro exercise pero walang healthy lifestyle, di ba?
Oh yes, oo. And it has to be, there has to be consistency and discipline. No? And then, let's touch on how does insulin work? So it's basically, insulin is a hormone, no, that produces, that is being produced by the pancreas. Yan. So, yun yung organ na nagpo-produce ng hormone, insulin. And insulin is like the key. Siya yung susi na nagbubukas ng pinto para pumasok yung glucose sa cells natin.
Okay.
No? And then yung cells natin, when it has the glucose, it uses it for energy and fuel. No? And then when that is efficiently working, then our metabolism is on a tip-top shape. No? And then we can burn calories faster. No? Mas maganda rin yung ating balancing ng hormones, yung ating metabolic health is in a good shape. Yan.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is interesting, no? So we we have to remember some items here, mga words that we need to be familiar with, no? Pancreas is the organ that produces the hormone insulin. Yan. And then to prevent insulin resistance from happening, so dapat okay yung lifestyle natin. Hindi lang siya eating or exercising, dapat total lifestyle. That includes hydration, no?
And of course, kasama din dyan yung mga stress, di ba?
Yeah, stress management, and then sleep, no?
Yeah.
So,
factor yan.
Oo, wag na tayo maging proud pagka napuyat tayo. Wala tayong tulog kasi tinapos natin yung project na to. Nako.
Correct.
Ayusin natin yung tulog natin. So, at least 7 to 2 hours per day. Ayan, okay. So, after insulin resistance, so anong nangyayari? It's like this. Yung situation na ganito, no? It's like yung cellphone, di ba, and the charger. Bago pa yung charger on yung phone, efficiently working siya, bilis mag-charge, ganyan, is properly working. Pero pag na-overuse na siya, bibigay din yan and it will not charge anymore. So, similar to our body, no, ganito yung mangyayari. Yan. So, ang pinagmumulan din ng insulin resistance is, one doon is the diet. We always try to eat high-carb diet, no? High sugary food. Yan. And because of that, no, yung if yung timing din, no, lalo na sa Pinoy diet natin, may breakfast, may AM snack, may lunch, PM snack, then dinner, iba midnight snack pa. No, ang dami nating time na kumakain tayo. Tapos pagka nanonood pa ng sine, 'di ba, or Netflix, meron pang kutkutin. So, imagine nyo ilang araw, ilang beses tayo sa isang araw kumakain. And pag ganun, the pancreas will just keep on pumping insulin to push
So,
to push the glucose into the cell. Pero pag lagi ngang ganun, no, napapagod yung pancreas, hindi na magre-respond yung cell doon sa insulin. Hindi na niya binubuksan. And pag nangyari yun, no, the glucose is stored in the blood. And it's stored as fat. Yun nga. Kaya nagkakaroon ng weight gain. And then insulin resistance happens. And yung pinakita ko kaninang chart, yung mga ibang health issues, no, like the PCOS, yan, the type 2 diabetes, pre-diabetes, fatty liver, then it happens. It develops. They develop. Okay, and then, ayan, so ganun na, pag may insulin resistance ka, ganun yung nafe-feel. You get fatigue, you get tired easily, and yung hunger, pati yung cravings mo, mas lumalala, no? Okay. Lalo na your cravings for sugar. Yan. Okay, yan. Next. Ano ba yung mga signs ng insulin resistance? Okay. Yan yung mga yan. So, you can actually evaluate yourself kung meron ba kayong symptoms na nararamdaman. Do you feel tired all the time? Do you experience brain fog? Do you have fertility issues? Or do you have PCOS? Do you experience...
PCOS, di ba? PCOS, di ba? Usually, PCOS. Insulin yan, PCOS.
Yes po. Yan. And then, do you experience extreme hunger? Do you have skin tags and skin pigmentation, low mood, yung acne? Yan. And then, increased cravings for carbs or sugary food. Irregular periods, so related nga rin to sa PCOS, no? Or do you experience difficulty in losing weight? Yan. So, skin tags. Ito yun, mga to. Kung may mga may mga nakita kayo na notice nyo, nangingitim na yung nape, yung batok. Yan, like that sa leg. Ayun sa fingers. Yan, that's a sign of insulin resistance. And yan, that is a signal, no, that is your body telling you that you need to pay attention to lifestyle change.
And then,
ay sinasabi ko nga kanina, Miss Rhodes, so over time, yung insulin resistance na yan, magiging metabolic syndrome. So, metabolic syndrome naman is a cluster of conditions. Now, this is, you get to experience other health issues like hypertension, yan, fatty liver, no? Or mababa yung good cholesterol, mataas yung bad cholesterol, mataas yung triglycerides. No, yun na basically kung ano yung lumabas sa blood test. Mataas yung SGPT, SGOT, no, yung creatinine, nagiging imbalance, no, hindi sila in normal levels na.
So, ang isang cause din pala ng mga high blood pressure is about insulin resistance din.
Yes po.
Yun din, Kasi yung iba, alam lang nila about food, salt, ganyan. Pero one is insulin din pala, di ba?
Yes, insulin resistance and this metabolic syndrome, no? Cluster of conditions na siya. Yeah, and also high stress. Kasi pag highly stressed tayo, we have high cortisol levels and we have high cortisol levels, it also increases blood sugar. So that leads to insulin resistance also.
Yes,
and inflammation.
Yes. Oh.
Yun, interesting, no? Ito something that we don't learn.
Oo, kasi 'di ba, alam lang natin pupunta ka sa gym, kakain ka ng ganito, tapos manonood ka lang ng may diet na okay to, tapos after that babalik na naman, magiging payat ka natin, pero babalik ulit, 'di ba?
Yeah, but mostly we also focus lang on the weight loss, 'di ba? But what is important is the inside health, and these are, the numbers. And the symptoms that we feel, we need to address that. Sometimes, the body signals, is signaling us no na pay attention through the
Correct.
symptoms that we experience. So like yun, una yun, yung hypertension, 'di ba, yung tiredness.
Sabi nga nila, you have to listen to the whisper of the body or
Correct.
else it will shout into an illness. Di ba?
Correct. Yeah, don't ignore. So if you feel something different about your body, so just stop and breathe and listen talaga to your body. Maybe you want to have a check up and then the doctor will ask you to have a blood test. So proactive or maganda tayo no, mag annual
Ano check-up?
PT. Oo. Lalo na sa mga business owners who don't have time anymore, no? Lagi tayong
Yeah.
busy. So just assign a period in a year na where you all have to take a moment for your health na pa-check up tayo.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay, so now we move on to this. So why typical diets fail, no?
Oo.
Kasi yung ibang diet, no, nakatutok lang sa calorie counting, sa reduction ng calories. No, but it doesn't address the insulin resistance. Yun nga yung root
Okay.
cause, di ba? So, dapat yun din yung unahin muna. Okay? So,
Correct.
and then, bakit din yung exercise? Kahit na lagi nag-e-exercise, hindi rin pumapayat, no? Actually, pag nag-exercise po tayo, it's only 2% of our body weight is being reduced. It's really more of the diet that we lose the weight and the lifestyle.
Oo.
But if you tire yourself to exercise, diba? Yung iba nag-exercise to death, spends 2 to 3 hours in the gym. Pag gano'n naman po, sobrang tumataas na yun. Nasa-stress din yung katawan natin, tumataas yung
Of course,
cortisol levels. Yun nga, diba? If chain reaction, pag mataas yung cortisol, there's inflammation, high blood sugar, and then that leads to insulin resistance. So, babalik ka rin dun sa root cause.
Sa mga ibang hindi nakakaalam, ano yung cortisol? Kasi tayo alam natin yan eh. Pero ano yung cortisol? Kasi yan yung iba kasi hindi nila alam yan eh. Basta.
Yeah, oo nga. Thank you for
Hello,
that question.
Cleo. One of our coach also, si Miss Cleo. Yeah.
Hi, Miss Cleo. Thank you for joining. So, the cortisol is a stress hormone. We don't want to encourage high cortisol level in our body.
Yeah. Mm-mm.
Okay, so next. Yan. So, ang tanong namin sa inyo, ayan, have you ever tried a diet or, for weight loss and then gained it all back? Ikaw ba,
Yeah.
Miss Rod? How about you? Meron ka bang ganyan experience?
Ang dami ko ng Hello, Cleo. Good evening. Ang dami ko ng diet na tinry. As in, siguro una yung, alam mo yung Atkins diet pa dati. Na ngayon, na siya, ang kapalit niya, keto. Di ba parehas lang yun, yung Atkins?
Oo.
Tapos yung keto, ganun lang din naman yun, parehas yun eh. All fat yun eh, di ba?
Full fat.
Oo, tapos nag-plant-based din ako. Sa plant-based, whole plant-based, umokay ako. Kaya lang, alam mo yung, ang isang struggle is mamaya sasabihin ko, alam mo yung community, kasi di ba you're in diet na, no? Kumakain ka na ng healthy, tapos ganito, tapos i-invite ka sa isang handaan.
Ayun. Oo, temptation.
Oo, di ba yun yung kailangan mong o di ba, try nyo, kayo ba, hindi nyo na-feel yun, di ba?
Ay, ako natitempt talaga ako, lalo na pag nakita mo yung
Di ba?
Ay, ako ang ko talaga, di ko mapigilan pag mga chocolate base. Pag may chocolate cake doon or
sweet tooth ka pala. Okay. Kayo ba, ano ba pagkain ang mga gusto ninyo, di ba?
Yes, okay. So, yun nga, there has to be it's not naman willpower kasi, di ba, like yung sinabi mo kanina, Miss Rod, meron ka ng discipline na-establish mo na yun. And meron ka namang willpower na to maintain that plant-based. Pero pag na-expose ka na in another environment, yun na talaga, mahirap na i-manage. So there it has to be, something also that we need to address in our lifestyle, in our habits.
Oo, parang discipline, and then one thing is discipline, and then one thing is meron kang follow-up, tapos community. Siguro parang
Yeah,
ganun.
community or accountability partner, no, and that's what I do as a health coach. So I partner with my clients to establish healthy habits. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
And we
now
will
I
discuss it later, yeah.
yeah. So now I would like to encourage all of you those who are tuned in to us tonight. Let's reflect, no. Etong mga tanong na to, do you skip meals because you're busy and then you end up overeating? Yan. So number 2, do you
Yan.
feel cravings in the afternoon even after lunch?
Kaya nga, do you feel that, di ba?
Or do you feel guilty when stress makes you eat more than you planned? No, kasi sabi mo nga,
Mm-mm.
kung nag-calorie reduction ka, ganitong lang, calories. Tapos, biglang
Correct.
stress ka, ay, teka lang, kulang pa, gutom pa ako. Nakatagan ko nga. So, yun, oh. So, if you feel all of this, then, you may want to, decide, no, if to change lifestyle.
And sometimes, di
Kasi,
ba, parang minsan, parang kasi minsan ang ginagawa na lang is, they just ignore. Pero nafe-feel nila, pero na-ignore. Parang hindi sila aware. Kaya dapat maging aware kapag nafe-feel mo to eh.
yes, oo. Totoo
Diba?
yan, Miss Rod. Yun nga, maganda yung sinabi mo, Miss Rod. Awareness, no? Siguro if, actually yung takeaway, ngayon, ngayon pa lang kaaga may takeaway na ako. Maganda yung sinabi nyo, having body awareness. If,
Yeah.
let's say, through the questions that we ask, na-realize nyo, yung ganun nga ako, ganun nga na-feel ko, then maybe it's really time to reflect and rewrite your health story. No, ano ba yung
Correct.
gusto mo, yung vision mo for your future health? Diba? Do you want to live longer? Do you want to realize more dreams, diba? Finish more goals? Ganyan.
Of
Kasi
course.
syempre, aware naman tayo if we lose our health, mahirap na, no, to realize all our dreams.
Mm-mm.
So if you've been frustrated with weight gain, fatigue, or cravings, it's not your fault. You just didn't have the right strategy. And now, you do, no? The root cause is, again, insulin resistance. So diets fail because they don't fix it. And through this short education in our webinar, we will equip you with some knowledge that has been tested already. No,
Of course.
by doing these adjustments in your lifestyle, you will slowly fight off or prevent insulin resistance from happening to
Mm-mm.
you. Yan.
So,
So,
ito yung mga gagawin na nila as in.
yes. So, and these are doable lifestyle changes na hindi naman siya drastic change. So, at least, you can just choose, no? Diba, baby steps tayo in progress, no? We're after progress, not perfection.
Yeah.
Ito yon. So, lifestyle, no? Kanina, ang main problem ng insulin resistance is poor lifestyle factor. So, ngayon, we're gonna shift to adopting healthier lifestyle. So, kasama na dyan yung meal timing, no? So, what we
Okay.
eat is also as important as when we eat.
When?
So, the timing, no? The timing. Yan. So,
Mm-mm.
Miss Rosa, naririnig mo ba, sinabi mo kanina aside from keto, are you familiar na or have you been doing intermittent fasting?
Actually, bago pa nga mag-intermittent kasi, hello, Jing! Hello from Dubai! O, di
Hello
ba?
from Dubai. Wow, may audience
Si
kami from
Jing yan, si
Dubai.
Jing. Hello from Dubai. So, actually, dati nun, kasi hindi ko alam kung healthy to kasi late ako kakain ng dinner, mga 9 or 10. Tapos, kinabukasan, kain ko na mga 11 or 12. Or minsan, nagto 2 o'clock pa ako. So, parang feeling ko na nakaka-intermittent na ako nun eh, di ba?
Oo, mahaba-haba na
Oo,
yun.
nakaka-intermittent na ako. Pero kasi, bakit hindi pa rin ako nag-ano? Alam mo, yun ang issue ko eh. Pag pre-menopausal, di ba? Kasi nasa 50s na eh. Nasa 50s na. Parang feeling ko ang hirap ang hirap kong umimpis.
Yes,
Kahit
yes.
pinabawasan ko yung food. Yan yung
Yeah.
o di ba, sino nakaka-experience yan? Yung kahit anong gawin mo, may ginagawa ka na, pero parang hindi pa rin siya umiimpis. Yun yung isang feeling ko. Bakit hindi ako, maybe because of, wala akong movement. Maybe that's one cause.
Yes, that's one for one.
Before, I used to do yoga eh. Yoga, tai chi, qigong. Yan, qigong. Pero, stop na siya. Alam mo yung pag busy ka na, hindi mo na magagawa. Tapos, puro order ng food, puro ganyan. Di ba? One thing din is you prepare your food eh. Yun yung isa kong na ano eh.
Nawala sa habits nyo.
Kailangan, you know how to prepare your food. Kasi the moment na nagpe-prepare ka lang, yung saliva movement, may ano na siya eh. May effect pala yun sa katawan. Pag ganun.
Yes. Nabanggit mo, Ms. Rods, no, tama ka doon. Isa sa challenges na nasa stage ng perimenopause. Kasi we have to, ako rin nasa perimenopause stage na, no. So, we have to also balance our hormones. Kanina, more on the, metabolic parameters, so HDL, LDL, SGOT, ganyan. So, sa atin women, meron pang hormones na kailangan i-balance, no. So, and, if we don't really keep a healthy lifestyle, mas challenging ngayon mas ramdam natin yung symptoms or impact ng perimenopause or menopause. So, kaya, as early as possible, no, para mas ma-manage natin or ma-lessen yung impact na mafe-feel natin yung symptoms ng perimenopause. Ito, magandang, i-implement, no, slowly, sa inyong lifestyle. So, again, meal timing. So, kung sa mga, na gustong i-implement ang intermittent fasting, marami po yung variations, no? Merong 12 hours, merong 16 hour, 18, or have you heard the OMAD, yung 1 meal a day?
One meal a day. Hindi ko pa, dati siguro kailangan mo munang ilagpasin yung mga ibang 16 hours, 18 hours hanggang mag-meal ka na.
Progression muna. Kung ano lang kaya mo. Baka naman sobrang mabigla ka pa.
Sabay-sabay, di ba?
Yeah.
Di mo siya pwedeng sabay-sabay yung gagawin mong lahat tapos biglang, di ba?
Yes, oo. So, we won't discuss lengthy about the meal timing, but it's very interesting to also learn about that, Ms. Rods, in one of our webinars. So, explain natin what happens.
Meron tayong another, doon na mas mahaba. Kasi ito parang introduction mo to na kung paano yung mga gagawin lang for something.
So parang magdi-deep dive tayo ngayon. Let's dissect one topic and then expand it a bit more in one of our next webinars. So, and then the second one, when you eat, you try to implement the build your plate. Pag kung makain ba kayo ng lunch or dinner, ganito ba itsura ng plate nyo? Or sa Pilipinas, lalo sa Pilipinas, laging kanin, ulam. Yun lang, okay na tayo.
Uso buffet, di ba? Uso ng buffet.
Pag buffet naman, ang dami. Buong-buo na lang. So, here, correct. So, here in the build your plate, as you notice, no, naka-portion, no. One key factor is the portioning and the presence of the macros and the micros, no. Ano yung macros natin dyan? Yung proteins, carbs, diba? Yung healthy fats. The good carbs.
Correct. Kasama ba dyan yung mga chocolate?
Hindi. Hindi. Pero diba, babalik tayo sa timing. There is a way to handle that, Ms. Rods. May sikreto doon. Okay. Now, let's move on to hydration. So, kailangan. Hydration is also key. Kasi pag hindi ka rin well hydrated, it can also cause your blood pressure to spike. Yan. So, and then, yun nga sinasabi natin kanina, lalo na tayo, we want to accomplish more. Nasanay tayo dyan. Nasanay tayo na magtrabaho ng long hours, na hindi lang 8 hours, minsan 12, 16. Diba? So, let's take a moment to distress. by taking mini breaks and adopting deep breathing. Yan,
Yeah.
connecting to our body again, no, mind, body, and spirit. Like, taking a quiet time. Just, ayun, again, we go back to have body awareness, body scanning, no.
Of course, di ba?
Yan, we
Yan yung
can
isang
do,
factor eh.
yes. Ikaw ba, Miss Rods, dyan sa office mo, do you take mini breaks?
Minsan nakakalimutan ko.
Guilty na. Oo. Ako rin, isang guilty
Di ba,
na.
guilty
Ngayon,
ako dyan. Guilty ako dyan. Halimbawa, yung mafe-feel ko na lang na, ay, gutom na pala ako. Tapos, ay, hindi pala ako nakainom ng tubig. Ay, hindi pala ako ganyan.
oh,
Tapos, mafe-feel mo na lang, di ba nararamdaman nyo to yung sobrang ginagawa, masakit na yung ulo mo.
oo, yeah.
Yun
Correct.
yun eh, no? So, kailangan pala, kailangan talaga maging aware ka sa ginagawa mo, no?
Correct, oo. Yeah, so again, we go back to the habits, no? Sometimes we tend to forget ourselves. Yan. So nobody's perfect. So kahit kami na nasa wellness
Yeah.
field, yeah, it happens because life happens. So but again, we just need to be conscious, no, on going back right on
Of
track.
course, yeah.
Okay, and then ito importante to, Miss Rod, sleep, no? Sleep. Sleep. Are you able to sleep 7 to 8 hours a day, every day, and yung quality ng sleep?
Sino nga yung mahilig mag-sleep? Nakakatulog ng mahaba. Parang ako hindi, parang 6 lang ako.
6 lang. Ako naman, nakaka 7 to 8 hours. But again, I have to be mindful of my tawag doon, bedtime. Kasi usually 9 dapat eh. Yun yung goal ko, 9. Kaya lang minsan may kailangan patapusin. Di ba minsan,
diba? Dami yung gagawin.
11, di ba? Hanggang 11.
May tanong ako, out of topic to. Pero is it true that the women are more into sleeping? Mas marami ang kailangan niya tulog kaysa sa lalaki?
I haven't encountered that.
Kasi meron akong isang na-attend na that they have a study daw that women should sleep more than the men. Kasi mas matakaw daw matulog ang babae. I don't know. Nakita ko lang siya in the open something. Maybe we'll have to explore on that.
Natin yan.
We'll have to explore
on that. But sa perimenopause stage, all the more that we need to improve our sleep quality also. Kasi nga, pag kulang tayo sa sleep, mas prone tayo sa hypertension.
Yeah,
and sometimes one of the symptoms is insomnia. So, and when it happens, all the more that we need to nourish our body with right supplementation and right quality of food. Kasi yung ganun, we need magnesium, diba? So, ibang naman yun. Ibang aspect naman siya.
Saka yung iba, may result din yan ng PCOS eh. PCOS.
Oo.
Yung, diba? Pahinga.
Yeah, so again, rest and recovery. Sometimes if we sleep and then pero alam mo yung feeling mo hindi ka stressed. Pero kasi wala ka naman nararamdaman. Parang nasanay ka na stress ka, pero baliwala sa'yo. Pero and then the symptoms that you feel start to come up, 'di ba? Na-experience mo na masakit ulo mo, yung back mo, yung BP mo mataas.
Yeah.
So, pag mga ganun, you really need to step back and again, have your body awareness.
Tama.
Okay. So now, ayan, movement. So our body.
Guilty ako dyan.
Ako naman on track pa ako dyan.
Nakikita, nag-yoga ka, nagpipilates ka eh.
Oo nga kasi nga, pag nasanay ka na naman, Miss Rod, hinahanap-hanap na ng body mo. Parang, pag, diba, parang pag naiwan mo yung cellphone mo, hindi na kompleto yung buhay mo. Kaya uuwi ka talaga, kukunin mo cellphone mo.
Bala kong balikan yan kasi ngayon yung tinatry ko nang gawin yung mga dati kong ginagawa, sabi ko, bakit parang ang hirap?
Oo, correct. Kaya importante na maibalik natin to, no? At least 15 to 30 minutes lang every day, conscious movement. So, meron tayong tinatawag na NEAT, no? Non-exercise activity thermogenesis. So, kung hindi mo kaya mag-set aside ng time to exercise, no, yun lang ba, be active in your household. No, yung maglakad-lakad, mag-mop ng floor, 'di ba? Mag-wash
Yeah.
ng dishes, baba akyat ng stairs, 'yon. And then if you're in the office, instead of answering the phone seated, why not answer it no while talking? Tayo ka,
Of
lakad-lakad,
course, yeah.
back and forth. Yan. At least you get your body to move. Yun naman po important. Kasi our bodies are designed to move talaga. We are created by God to move. Okay. Yan. So, pero, yun nga, Miss Rods, yung mga, gusto naman talaga natin yun, di ba? Gustong-gusto natin
Oo.
i-adapt yun. Pero nga, may mga challenges. Ayan.
Sobra.
So, time and energy, nakaka-relate po ba kayo? Wala akong time.
Oo.
So, wala rin ako
Parang,
energy. Kasi,
Tapos, ang daling
paghapon,
mapagod. Ako, napapagod ako. Di ba?
oo, pagod na ako,
Aliw.
matutulog na lang ako. Ganyan. So,
Oo.
o kaya, yung all or nothing mindset, di ba?
Correct. Oo.
O kaya naman, lack of knowledge. So, feeling mo, nagawa mo na lahat. Nag-google mo na lahat. Pero
Oo.
sa'yo, ano ba yun dapat? Kasi, parang nagta-trial and error ka ngayon, but nothing works.
Tsaka yung iba, parang mindset na yan, parang, ay, hindi naman maano yan sa akin, hindi yan para sa akin. Parang may ganun, yung challenge.
Oo, correct.
Diba?
Yeah, it's specifically true for a workout, no? Wag niyo pong pilitin kung hindi niyo kaya yung halimbawa, if you're a person who's not into weightlifting, and it's not for you kasi
Of
hindi niyo
course.
yun nai-enjoy. So, hanap po kayo ng workout na nai-enjoy ninyo. Like ako, hindi ako hindi ako ma-strenuous na sa
Oo. Ayaw mo
exercise,
ng
no?
mga, yung mga
Oo, hindi
parang
ako ganun.
power,
Tsaka,
yung
hindi
mga
ako,
power arrow, ayaw mo ng mga ganun.
yun,
Gusto mo yung
yeah,
parang
oo.
pang ano lang, yung pang slow movement lang, mga ganun. Diba?
Correct. Oo, yung something that you really enjoy. Ako, sabi ko nga, Miss Rods, pag nagpipilates ako, that's my happy place. No, kasi
Yeah.
relax na ako, tapos, lahat na ko, breathing ko naayos, posture ko
Yeah.
na lower back pains ko na-address. Yan. But I still incorporate cardio. So, meron din pong combination, hindi lang puro yoga or puro pilates. Diba? Kay combination of strength, cardio, flexibility, and rest. Yun.
Of course, yeah.
No, importante ang rest. And then, no consistent support system. Na-mention mo rin to kanina, Miss Rods. Kasi, di ba, community. Kung wala kang community,
Oo.
mag-isa ka lang, hindi ka na-encourage.
Dapat may community, kahit online. Kasi, I'm gonna share something. Nung way back, ang tagal, way back nga di ba? ano yan bago mag-pandemic. Siguro, parang 2017 or 18. Mas mga ganong time na yun. Naka-online ako. Meron akong subscription online. Kasi I feel na kapag sumabay ako sa group ng mga nag-yoga, mahuhuli ako kasi parang mai-intimidate ako, ang gagaling nila, tapos ako hindi ko magawa. Ang ginawa ko ngayon, nag-subscribe ako sa online. So, US siya. So, ang theme niya is Tai Chi, tapos Qigong, tapos may flow siya ng yoga. Doon ko na feel na kahit pa nasa ibang lugar kayo, tapos magkikita kayo in web, no? Talagang may teacher kami online. Doon ko na feel na, kaya ko pala kahit online ako. Tapos may naging community. So, find something that resonates with you.
Yes. So, kung saan kayo, feeling nyo accepted kayo, di ba? And you feel safe. Oo. Thank you for that, Miss Rod. Okay, so yun nga, given the challenges, no, in Race and Rise Wellness, we have this, an easier way for you to address those challenges, and eventually you can reach your goal of losing weight finally, no. Especially if you don't have time to prepare healthy meals all the time, kasi you have to go to work. or pagdating
Oo.
mo pagod ka na, or you don't have time to exercise. And these two supplements are combined. Ang tawag sa kanya ay Feel Great System. No, this is actually a tool that fast tracks your results. No,
Mm.
even when life happens.
Mm.
Yes. So when these two are combined, it addresses specific challenges. For example, may cravings ka, you always look for snacking, ganyan. So, it can also help you address to scenario na nasa buffet kayo, ang dami
Mm.
mong nakaharap sa yung food, and then you cannot control your appetite. So, yeah, these tools can help you manage those scenarios. And
Okay.
with Unimate, it actually regulates the blood sugar spike. It actually increases your metabolic rate. So it helps your body burn the fat even at rest.
Mm.
Even nakaupo kayo. Yan. So it helps speed up your metabolism. Yan.
Mhm. Okay.
And it also regulates the gene expression of your brain. Diba? The brain is the
Oo.
central nervous
Oo.
system of our body. So
Oo.
yan, napapabilis na yung ating burning fat. And si Vice Life, it actually regulates your blood sugar spikes and um, sugar spike cholesterol. Yan. And it also
Mm.
helps you lose not just in kilograms, but also in inches. So, yung nasa picture, Miss Rods, totoo
Oo.
yan. No,
Iniisip
marami
ko nga yun, sabi parang ako yun.
Oo, marami nang natulungan po itong program na to.
Meron akong question dito mamaya yan, dyan sa Unimate na yan. Yan sa ano na yan. Mamaya, as in.
Sige, Miss Rods. Okay, let me continue. So, yan. So, we'd like to encourage you to rewrite your health story, because your health story isn't finished yet. You can still write a stronger, healthier chapter for
Mm-mm.
yourself. No? And the beauty of it is that you won't have to do it alone. So there is us here, your wellness professionals from Race and Rise, and we can be a community.
Of course, yeah.
And so if you want to jumpstart your wellness journey, let's do it all together. No, the Feel Great system and the health coaching services are available at Race and Rise Wellness.
Yan.
Yeah.
Diba? Pero ako parang gusto ko yan. Gusto kong i-ano siya, gamitin. Tingnan ko.
Yes, oo.
Para sa
Ako,
akin.
Rods, I still do the protocol.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, kasi there are also time that I experience cravings eh. Meron at meron talaga.
Mm-mm.
Oh, but the beauty of this, by doing this, na speed up ko talaga yung metabolism. Especially during the pandemic, hindi talaga ako nag-gain ng weight. I still keep my weight at 49 kilograms. Tapos, the blood test which I do annually, no, is
Mm-mm.
always within normal ranges. But also, I tried experimenting, no? Inalis ko yan. I ate lang healthy. So, I
Oh,
changed my workout. May tumaas.
di
Yun
ba?
talaga kasi we cannot control the food eh. The food that we eat
Correct,
every
correct.
time, di
Oo.
ba? Minsan nagsasawa tayo laging yun and we want something sweet or
Oo.
oily
Maybe
or
oo. Eto ba, yung product na yan, or kasi hindi lang siya product, it's with coaching eh, di ba? May coaching
yes.
kang gagawin eh, no? So itong product na yan, ang tanong ko, is it only for weight loss or weight something, suppressing something? Or ano pang binibigyan? Kasi di ba, may mga insulin resistance. So pwede rin yan sa mga nagpaparegulate ng blood, high blood pressure, mga blood
Yes.
sugar.
Oh,
Okay.
actually, Miss Rods, ang kanyang main target is to improve the blood work. No, it
Ah,
primarily targets insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes, hypertension, fatty liver, at yung mga mataas sa cholesterol. And then, ang maganda kasi dito, the science behind it is that when your blood tests are regulated, meaning na
mm-mm.
normalize na natin, no? weight gain will never be a problem kasi your
Mm,
metabolism is back to its efficiency.
correct.
It can burn your fats more efficiently and much faster.
Nice. Kasi yun yung gusto kong malaman kasi gusto ko rin ma-test siya.
Yeah.
Ah, oo, since ano, parang ang iniisip ko, 'di ba, hindi kasi ako mahilig uminom ng mga pill. So sabi mo parang inilalagay lang siya sa drink.
Yes. Para lang
Oh,
siyang orange juice, lemon iced tea, ganyan. Hot
parang
tea.
nilalagay sa drink. Tapos
Oo.
very particular kasi ako sa ingredients. Alam mo 'yon? So, ako na yung magtatanong on behalf of them. Ano yung mga ingredients niyan?
Okay, the active ingredient of Unimate is yerba mate. So it's
Okay, yerba mate.
that originated from Argentina, South America, no?
Okay.
So ano siya, galing siya sa leaf. Actually, they call it their happy drink, no? Kasi nga
Ah,
when they drink it, they start to feel happy about themselves, no?
mm,
Even yung outlook nila in life. And when this was developed, yung Unimate, it was uh, meron yan five-step process, no,
mm,
um, na pina-follow. So and then the company that manufactures it also conducted a happiness test, no, happiness.
hmm.
So
So, nagbibigay siya ng mga happy hormone
yes,
para 'di ba?
yes. Lalo na yung mga towards depressive na when they drink it. Yan, yan. And it will help. Yung feeling na may energy crashes towards the end of the day, yet it
Yeah,
can uplift your energy and your mental focus. Lalo na kung mahaba meeting nyo, tuloy-tuloy, yan, it can help, you, Unimati can help you with that. And it also, carbs hunger. Hindi ka madaling
oo,
magutom.
yes.
That's why it
May
can,
may tanong si Clay, FDA approved?
yes, opo,
Oo, yung
FDA
sa'yo, yes,
approved, halal
oo.
certified. And
Oo,
it's
halal certified
available
siya.
in Dubai. Sa
Oo,
mga taga-Dubai
available
po,
siya
it's
in Dubai
available
and
in Dubai.
available din siya sa Race and Rice ng
Yes.
Calamba, Laguna. Tapos gusto ko siyang ma-test kasi ako kasi 'di ba yung pag normal drink, how long will it last? Parang paano yung effect niya?
Interval?
Oo, paano yung effect niya if ever? Kasi 'di ba you are using it?
Yes.
Kasi pag ilalagay natin ito sa Race and Rice and then syempre may mga mag-inquire like may mga PCOS, merong
Yes.
mga yung mga healthy, parang gusto nila maging healthier, mayroong mga blood sugar, may hypertension. So paano nila kumbaga ikaw yung magga-guide sa kanila as a
Yes.
wellness coach ng
Yes
Race
po.
and Rice, 'di ba?
Correct.
Oo.
Yes, it's also. Yeah, ang maganda rito, they will always have a guidance, no? And this has been proven protocol, giving results to many people globally already. And in the Philippines, no, it has helped many people already with their
Oo. And we can give them like parang 1 week lang muna or pwede
yes,
tayo
oo.
tingi, 'di ba? Merong kasi yung iba bibili agad madami kasi gusto nilang ma-try muna. So, maglalagay tayo sa Race and Rice ng ganyan. And at the same time, meron kayong coach na if you really wanted to go deep dive on
Mhm.
health coach kasi 'di ba maraming tao ngayon ang dami ng maintenance. Tapos
Mhm.
ang effect nun kapag sobrang dami mo ng gamot, yung kidney mo,
Yes.
as in, 'di ba, may something,
Organs mo bibigay over
oo,
time.
bibigay na siya. So, andiyan si Coach Kim na IIN certified. And I'm so proud I have one coach na IIN certified. Kasi mahirap makakuha ng coach na hindi IIN certified, di ba?
Opo,
Yun
and
siya,
we
di ba?
also invest in our practice para
Yeah,
naman can give value to our clients. Oo.
yes, yes.
Yeah, na-mention niyo, Miss Rod, we can actually pilot this, the 7-day challenge, no? We can pilot
Oo,
it at Race and Rice. So if you feel
oo,
na, kasi po ang normal duration is 60 days to build the
okay.
habits. That's the ideal. But if you feel na you want to try it first because you cannot commit yet to 60 days, we're actually opening up a 7-day challenge.
Oo,
No?
7-day challenge.
And then we can create our community in
Correct.
Raisin High.
Oo. We can pero bibigyan ko kayo ng hindi lang siya pang weight
Yes,
loss.
hindi lang siya pang weight loss.
Siya ganun, di ba?
Overall
Kasi,
health siya, inside
oo,
and outside health.
oo. So, yun yung baka kasi ang inisip na pang weight loss lang to, pang ganito. It's more of like, kasi for my understanding, it's more of like developing your genome, your genes, di ba?
Yeah,
Or,
restoring your genome, yeah.
oo, to your ideal, how do you call it? Kasi every one of us, in my Theta Healing perspective, no? Every one of us has their own, how do you call it, ideal weight. So it depends. So parang yung sa'yo kasi yung binibigay mo, the body will go to its ideal weight kapag okay na siya, pag naayos na siya nung
Yes,
supplement na
so
yun.
sabi nga natin, kumbaga, Miss Rods, the weight loss is just a positive side effect. So we fix
Oo.
first the inside, and then the natural tendency is, ayun, maayos na yung outside health. The physique will improve, you will lose inches and kilograms, no?
Oo. Parang ganun nga lang. Kasi nung dati nag-whole food plant-based ako, sabi nila, ang pinaka-side effect niyan is magre-release ka ng weight. And then, ang nahirapan lang talaga ako nun kasi walang community. Lalo na kapag, halimbawa, may mag-i-invite sa'yo, syempre, kumakain ka na nga. Tapos, pag pumunta na ako out there in the field, mga grocery or
Yeah.
kakain ka sa labas, wala akong makain whole food plant-based. Alam mo yun?
Oo.
So, nag-iisip ko na, paano ako pupunta? Paano ako makaka-survive na something? Di ba pag ang Pinoy, mahilig kumain, di ba?
Yes. Oo, yun din ang challenge ko, Miss Rhodes, kasi, di ba, sabihin na lang natin yung rice. Mostly naman serves white rice, di ba, sa restaurant.
Yes, oo.
Oo. Ako, yun talaga papapa-white rice. So, I always bring with me yung isang product, yung orange. Kasi, pag umorder ka naman ng salad, syempre, mas tataas na yung bill mo. So,
correct, oo.
Yeah, this is actually a tool because hindi mo naman consistently masunod lahat ng habits all the time perfectly. So, you have these two products and they are natural and organic and FDA certified and halal certified.
So, mag-open tayo ng Q&A kung like na naman
kayo.
Diba? O, sa mga nakikinig dyan, do you have any question? Kasi parang ako yung nag-question na lahat eh. Parang mga ganun. Diba? So, if you have any question, just type in your question and then, samantalahin nyo kasi bibihirang maging free to si Miss Kim. May bayad ang mga questionnaire dito eh. Diba?
Sa inyo, para sa inyo talaga to.
Pag may mga question kayo, take chance na. Ako may question ako. Meron kasi ditong, meron akong kilala, parang 26 years old pa lang siya. Tapos, nagbi-build up na siya ng hypertension. Meron na siyang high blood. Pero, babae siya ha. Pero, nahihirapan siya kasi, nagtatry naman siya ng best niya na, what is this, mag-diet, mag-something. Kaya lang nahihirapan talaga siya. Ano yung best na mapapayo mo?
Okay. First, in my practice, Miss Rose, it's very important to start with health assessment. So I usually ask my clients to fill out an health assessment form or health history form, for me to understand also yung other health issues nila, yung current lifestyle nila, and then yung history, basically may iba pa ba o yung family history, kung saan siya predisposed. And then second, I look into the lifestyle, yung how often does she eat, yun na stress level niya, yung eat. Basically, I touch on the different lifestyle factors. And then another thing is, because of that, kung nahihirapan siya, baka kailangan niya talaga ng accountability partner, somebody who will check on her, partner with her, established a rhythm and routine, no? So she can develop the mindset, equip her with knowledge, no?
Mm-mm.
And then para maging sustainable, no?
Yeah.
Usually kasi iba hindi lahat naman ng tao strength yung discipline, 'di ba? And
Oo.
consistency.
Totoo
So
yun.
kailangan
Totoo yun.
talaga nila ng partner.
Kasi minsan, di ba kailangan nila ng someone to boost them na, o ganito gagawin mo, mag-guide talaga, as in.
Yes, oo. Ano po yun, it works kasi mahirap pagka pupunta sila sa doktor, 'di ba? For example, health issue, hypertension. Si doctor naman kasi would just give them, kung during the consultation lang sila magkikita, 'di ba? And then may instruction lang si doc like, have a healthy lifestyle, and then take
Mm-mm.
this medicine and then go back to me after, let's say, 3 months. No?
Mm.
Pero, how to start, no, your changing to healthy lifestyle,
Oo,
hindi
dapat
naman
talaga.
ituro. Oo. And then if they do it on their own, they lack naman the knowledge. If they Google, 'di ba? Because of so much information, hindi mo na alam what works.
Yeah, of course. And sometimes you think that this will not work on you. That's why it's gonna be manifesting on your body.
Yes,
Kasi,
so kasi
more
you
belief
get
yun eh.
frustrated din.
Oo. Yun din yung nakikita kong usually na pag meron, nahihirapan sila mag-cope up. Kasi nga, yun na yung parang napaniwalaan na nila. Diba?
Oo. So, I suggest you that yung kakilala mo, Miss Rods, meron naman akong free discovery call, no? Plus,
Yeah.
I can send the link and then, actually sa Race and Rice, meron tayong booking doon, link.
Yeah.
Booking for free discovery call for 30 minutes. Yan, para po mag-guide ko rin sila on the next steps.
Oo. So if you're having some issues or challenges regarding your health thing, we give discovery call sa inyo kasi may mga different coaches kami. And one of the
Yes.
coaches that we have is Miss Kim Basa. So
Yes,
ito yung into more of the physical ay mga kanyan, mga kung ano-anong gagawin, as in siya yung in alignment to that. So that's why
Related to the body.
we related everything to the body. She's the one. And we have different other coaches that will be coming on another talk, and definitely magkakaroon kami ng parang segmented parang episode regarding how you want to eat properly, ano yung meal time, ano yung
Yes.
mga 'di ba? Ano yung tamang oras, ano yung proper sleep, yun yung gagawin nating segmented part of the talk as a wellness something. Siguro magkakaroon tayo parang siguro every other month or even depende sa ating sa ating mapag-didiskusyonan.
Yes, oo. Kasi nga we want this to be your go-to channel for your wellness needs.
Yeah. Because we're not only doing your hair, your nails, we have that. Pero we wanted also the overall thing, yung body, mind, and spirit. Diba? Yeah. So if there's no other question that's coming in, since 1 hour na tayo, naka 1 hour na tayo, di ba?
Yes, oo, ang bilis, di ba? Hindi natin namalayan.
Oo, hindi. And thank you to all the viewers na nag-heart, na nag-like,
Thank
na
you po
nag-follow. And thank you. And watch our next episode. And then remember, meron na kaming mga products sa Race and Rice. And if you want some answers to your question, just reach out to Miss Kim Basa. We will post her number, all her details. And then if you want, then just
to book a discovery call with me for free.
Yeah. Thank you, Cleo. Thank you very much for staying.
Thank you po.
I miss you. Dapat makita kayo ni Cleo. She's in San Mateo, no? San Mateo. She's one of the person na we go on live. Ganito ginagawa namin before. Yeah. So, thank you very much. Thank you sa mga nanood and thank you sa mga nagstay. And we hope na we've given you very good insight and informations about your health. Right? Any message, Miss Kim, before we go?
Yeah, so as we said nga earlier, no, so we wanted to give you this as a channel
May
for your.
question. Ayan, may
Oh,
question.
merong question. May pasagal po. Thank you for that question. Okay.
Ayan.
So question, I can read it. Sige po.
O,
For
sige.
40s, kasi di ba mahina na yung metabolism, ano kaya ang the best meals? Meron bang do's and don'ts to maintain, to be fit, at hindi tumaba? Okay. Sige po. So there are two questions here. Sagutin ko muna yung una. Mahina yung metabolism, ano kaya ang best meals? So yung
Yeah.
best meals po actually, the ideal is, yung pinakita ko kanina, yung build your plate, which consists of the nutrition principles na tinuturo ko rin po sa health coaching natin. Best meals, depende po ko. Okay, the best meals is really the presence of all the macronutrients and the micronutrients. So, meron po presence lagi ng proteins, good carbs, healthy fats,
Vegetables.
yeah, and fruits and vegetables. So, lagi po ko, diba, sabi nga, nung elementary tayo, eat balanced meals, kung ano yung nasa food pyramid. So, kaya lang, because of, diba, modern lifestyle, tapos, mostly, when we go to the grocery, halos lahat processed, diba? Nakikita natin instant, hindi na natin alam yung whole foods. Or minsan,
Oo.
wala na tayong time magluto, ito na lang instant, diba? Meron na nga ngayong soup to go, yung yung soup to go, so
Soup to
natamad
go.
ka mag-grind ng
Initan mo lang, no? Pero parang puro process yun, di ba? Puro
process pa rin
preservative
yun.
yun.
So, iwasan po natin ang processed meat processed food as much as possible kasi they usually contain high sugar and high in sodium.
Oo, yun nga. Karamihan kasi dyan, lalo, di ba, maraming kidney? Sa kidney
Oo,
disease.
kidney ang impact
Kasi ang
niya.
dami yung
Kidney
instant dyan.
disease.
Ang dami yung mga magic sarap.
Oo, yung magic sarap. Naku, yun po, iwasan po natin yun. No? As much as possible, less salty yung food natin. But we can improve the taste by using other spices.
Oo.
Yan. At pa maraming
Salt
spices
siguro.
dyan, di ba, Miss Rod?
Oo, siguro use the real salt. Not
Yeah,
the
Himalayan
additives.
salt,
Not the
sea
additives. Oo.
salt, gano'n.
Yan.
Medyo a bit pricey siya, pero matagal po siya gamitin.
Oo. Ano naman yung anong do's and don'ts to
Yung
maintain?
second question, meron bang do's and don'ts to maintain to be fit? Di tumaba. To maintain, do's and don'ts. Okay, the do's po is to keep your healthy lifestyle. So, and the lifestyle, yung tinouch din natin kanina sa isang slide, no, basically includes your nutrition, your rest and recovery, yung sleep, no, movement, hydration, and then stress management.
So, yun talaga dapat no?
Yes.
Dapat yun talaga lahat magkakasama
Holistic kasi siya, hindi lang po siya nutrition lang. Pero you eat healthy, 'di ba? Pero naman nagpupuyat ka. So, you cannot out-diet or out-exercise insulin resistance. Kasi lahat naman po doon rin papunta sa insulin resistance.
Ito out of nowhere, ano lang. And sabi ni Miss, Cleo, hi, ano yan.
Hi po,
see you
soon. Yes.
Ako may question. Anong may advice mo? What can you advise to the people who exercise late and sleep late?
Sleep late, exercise late, like what time po?
Mga alas 10:30, 11, natatapos, tapos late sila mag-sleep.
Late mag-sleep. Okay, yung...
Kasi di ba pag nag-high energy ka, yung adrenaline mo mataas, so ang tendency, hindi ka agad makakatulog, di ba?
Oo. Exercise at night is okay as long as you get the right exercise. Kasi pag patulog ka na pero you did cardio, syempre tataas yung energy levels, mahirapan ka matulog. So might as well you choose a yoga for bedtime. Yan.
Okay.
So at least it will encourage deeper sleep, better quality of sleep. So I suggest wag cardio, wag rin strength kasi masakit
lifting,
din sa
wag din, mga ganun.
Yeah, more on the slow movement side. Pwedeng
okay.
slow movement.
Para on the mode of relaxing lang,
Yes, oo. And then before kung di ka pa inaantok, you can listen to an audio material for meditation. Yeah, meditation is best. I also do that. Oh, galing. Tama po. Meditation
Oo.
and then bedtime yoga.
Yeah. This is the one that we really do in Race and Rise Wellness.
Yeah,
So,
oo. Ang maganda kasi sa Race and Rise, complete yung yung coaches nila. So, the expertise, when you need this expertise, may matatouch tayong right
yeah.
quote.
Oo.
Yan. So, holistic po talaga yung approach natin.
Mm-mm. So, if
Ay,
there's
don't pa ata. Miss Rods, hindi ko pa nasagot yung don'ts. Don't.
Oo, to.
Oo, pag don't. Ayan. Ang don't, syempre, wag niyo pong kalilimutan na na may ma-miss out kayo dun sa ibang no, like sa nutrition, eat unhealthy. Don't exercise too much kasi nga 'di ba sabi natin kanina yung cortisol levels tataas, and wag magpuyat. Wag magpuyat, wag magpa-stress.
Correct. And mahirap din kasi yung over-exercise ka kasi, di ba? Kala mo healthy yun, yung pagod na pagod ka na, ito yung way mo. Pero your body, kasi di ba parang oxidative stress yun? Yung too much releasing of something, yun yung isang factor dun na parang, parang red flag to, dapat hindi ginagawa. Yun.
Yeah. Yan po yung mga don'ts. Basically, you just look at the lifestyle factors that we shared earlier. So, nutrition nyo, yung sleep nyo, stress level, movement.
Correct. So, if wala ng question, maglalas na no? If wala ng question, let me know, and then so we can say bye-bye para sa next naman, we'll be having another topic with Miss Kim. And remember, yung product na ila-launch namin is i-out na namin sa Race and Rise. And if you really wanted to do a life change, parang more healthier, we have the product and the coaching with Miss Kim. So, yun yung pinaka magandang gawin na parang tandem na sila. May product ka na, tas coaching. And the best part is hindi siya capsule. Di ba? Ayaw mo kasi na capsule. Kaya drinking coffee is okay before bedtime?
Depende po, no? Depende. May mga tao kasi akong nakakausap, no? Na pag uminom sila ng coffee, yun yung pampatulog nila. Di ba? Ibang reaction. But the normal reaction po is yung coffee because it has caffeine, mas mahirap makatulog. So, kung nag-work naman po sa inyo, no, na kahit pag inom kayo ng coffee, nakakatulog kayo, then it's okay. But if you're sensitive na, caffeine sensitive na, and then it affects your bedtime, as I suggest, siguro at least yung last nyo mga 5 p.m. na lang.
Like ako, caffeine sensitive ako. Never ako nagko-coffee na tsaka nag-tea. So, more on hot water lang ako. Yun ang ginagawa ko na lang. So, yun yung isang ko. Sige, may tatanong pa ako about Unimate mamaya.
May tanong pa po tayo. Ayan.
What is the best time to eat fruits after meal ba? Oo, yan. Gusto ko malaman yan.
Oo. Actually, okay. So, in the context of eating, no, we have to prioritize fiber. Fiber first, no? So, doon papasok yung fruits and veggies. Remember yung pinakita kong plate kanina, it must composed of vegetables and fruits. So, kapag kakain ka, unahin mo yung fruits kasi fiber.
Oo, tama yan.
And then when you prioritize fiber, you feel fuller na. No?
No, ayan na. So, alam nyo na.
Before po mas maganda.
Oo. Dapat before. Fiber. Kaya pala, kasi yung iba ginagawang dessert yung yung fruits, di ba? Oo. Kasi di ba meat, yung iba may meat, may So, dapat talaga mauuna yung fat. Kasi, di ba, the more fiber na meron ka, the more na mabubusog ka agad.
Yes. Yes.
Water and fiber are the key. Thank you daw. O, di ba?
Yes. So, at saka po, hindi lahat ng fruits ay ideal to eat every day.
Oh, ano-ano yan? Ano-ano yan? Gusto ko yung malaman. Ano-ano
O,
yan?
doon nga nila malalaman yun, Miss Rod, sa health coaching kasi
Oo
doon
nga
natin
pala.
sinishare ang
Sa
ano.
isang section natin. Oo nga
Kasi they
pala.
are high in fructose, 'di ba?
Oo, depende yan. Depende kung anong klaseng fruit.
Yes.
Okay. So, ayan na. So, mag-ano na tayo. Magko-closing na tayo and thank you everyone for joining
Thank you
us.
everyone for joining us.
And then, yerba mate, yung ni mate is composed of, paano siya inumin? Before, after, yun yung gusto ko malaman, yung product na yun. Kasi baka mamaya pumunta sila, magtatanong, tapos
Okay.
iinumin, ano yan.
Oo, ideal po siya to be taken every morning because it's supposed to be parang replace your meal, your breakfast. That will serve as your breakfast. And
Okay.
then, dun po sa protocol natin. But, you can also drink it in between meals.
Parang
Let's say, parang yun yung pinaka-snack nyo. Kung nagutom ka ng 10 a.m. or 3 p.m. And then you just drink that. It will curb your hunger.
Kasi minsan, alam mo, yung iba, akala nila, gutom sila, pero nauuhaw lang pala sila.
Correct po. Yeah.
Kulang lang pala sila sa hydration.
Oo, yes.
So, now let's close na the live. Thank you very much for everyone who's watching, who participated. And I'm sure, mapapanood nyo pa rin naman to sa page namin. I will put it there para at least continuous yung and if you have questions, even if tapos na kami mag-live, you can still put the questions there and then we will answer it as much as we can. So any other closing remarks for you, Miss Kim? Coach Kim.
Yun nga po, no? So, if you would like to jumpstart your wellness, if you were able to relate to the scenarios, diba? If you were able to relate to the reflection questions that we shared earlier, yeah, so please reach out to us and schedule a discovery call with me or take advantage of the now available tools at Race and Rise to help you jumpstart your wellness.
Yan. Thank you very much. So, salamat sa everyone. Wait kita, Miss Kim. I-end ko lang muna live. Thank you very much. See you again in our next live. Thank you.
See you.